Good afternoon, everyone. This is Misty here with Mac Jewelry. How are y'all doing today? I am doing absolutely amazing, except for this weather and Arthur. But hey, I'm doing all right. I'm living. Uh, Today I am going to show you guys how to make these adorable little flip-flops. Yeah. I love these things. They're so cute. And these would be perfect for earrings, you guys, or necklaces. I'm going to try to make a ring out of one. How cute would that be? And even hanging on the side of a junk journal. I think these would be really, really cute. So, these are what I'm going to show you. These are really simple, really easy. Really easy project to make. I can't talk. You don't need a whole lot for this. You're going to need some 4mm bicones in 2 different colors. You're going to need a size 10 or 12 beading needle. I'm using a 12. And you're going to need some thread of your choice. I'm using wildfire thread. You can get it at Walmart for like $4.50. You can order online. Like I said, use whatever thread, beading thread that you wish to use. That would be absolutely fine. You could even use monofilament too if you wish to. So, alright, sorry about that, you guys. Before I go any further, disclaimer, this video is not for kids. Nobody under the age of 13, 14. No, it's not for you. I say that because I have one home on spring break and an extended leave from school. And the dude, you guys know this, but I had to put it out there. Also, what you're going to need is a pair of scissors. But what I'm going to use is my Beadsmith thread burner. It is my favorite tool to use. Not only does it burn your thread loose, but it seals it as well. So this is a pretty cool investment. I think it was like $14.99 or something like that. I used a 40% off coupon. I got this a few years ago, and it is my must-have tool for, beading. So all jewelry makers, this is the tool for you. You definitely need this, and I know a lot of you already know about this, but there are some new jewelry makers, beaders here on my channel. Welcome. This would be one of the things that I would say is a must-have in your arsenal of tools. So, another thing that I suggest to have is a bead mat. These mats you can get at Hobby Lobby, $2.99 for 3 of them. You can use 40% discount as well. But that is a great purchase price for these bead mats. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Now, what you're going to do first, I've zoomed this in so you can see, and I won't have to keep messing around with the zoom and the focus and all of that. So, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 4mm bicones. Now, you can use glass, crystal, Swarovski. These here are Swarovskis. And I'm using them because I have an abundance of them I had gotten from my sweet friend, Paula. And I've made so many projects with them, and I still have tons of them, so I'm going to use them for this project as well. So, 4mm bicones, 4 of them, and you're going to let them go all the way down at the end, and you are going to tie these into a circle, just a regular surgeon's knot. I know what I just did is not a surgeon's knot, but it works for me, so that's what we're going to do. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your needle, and you want to go through 2 bicones, this one and this one. Oh, wait a minute. You want to go through this one and this one. You want to come out of the bead directly across from where you're originally coming out of to get in position. So, go through this one and this one here. And I'm going to try to stay in frame. And then you're going to pick up 3 bicones. Now the reason why you're only picking up 3 is because I don't like that bead, so we're not going to use it. This bead here you're coming out of, you're going to use it as part of your 4. So you got started out with 4. You're only going to pick up 3 for the moment to make your box. So your thread's coming out this way. Your needle is going to go back through that same bead in the direction that your thread's coming out of to make a circle. And this stitch is right angle weave. It is one of the most popular stitches in beading. Gets used quite a bit. So, and right angle weave is just all about making circles. Alright, so this is what you have. Now to get in position, you're going to go through 2 bicones you just added. Again, just like with your first box you made, you want your needle to come out of the bead directly across from the one you're coming out of now. So you're coming out of this one. Let me turn it. Ooh. That's alright. So your thread's coming out of this one. You want to go through this one and this one. So, and always hold on to your beads. You don't want to pull super tight because you don't want to break your thread. And sometimes with bicones, with certain bicones, if you pull too tight, you're rubbing your thread around on the rough edges of your bicones, and it will cut your thread. So you don't want to do that. One more time, you're going to pick up 3 bicones. And you're going to go back through the bead you're coming out of to make a circle. And then you're going to go through 3 bicones. You want to come out of this one over here to start your second row. So you're going to go through this one here. You're going to go through the top one. And then you're going to go through the side one. And go ahead and turn your piece. Alright. So for this first box, you're going to pick up 3 bicones. And go back through that box. Go back through that bead there on the side that you're coming out of. Go ahead and pull your thread. Now, this is where things change a little bit. It's not difficult, but I'm going to try to, explain it in a way that is not confusing. Because when I first started beading and doing right angle weave and doing things like this, it was so confusing to me. So I'm going to try not to do that to you guys. So you're coming out of this bead here. You're going to go through this bead right here. Just one bead. Okay? So go through that bead. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to use this bead here, and then this next side bead as 2 of the 4 beads to make your box. Okay? So pick up 2 4mm. You're going to come over. So you have this side bead here. You're going to come up to this next one. And you're going to go down through it. Okay. Straighten out your beads here. Alright. So there is your box. Then you're going to go through this bead, and this bead. And then your last side bead. I know it sounds confusing, but really it's simple. So you went through one bead, go through your top bead, your side bead that you added, and then you're going to go through this last one on the first row that you started out with. Now, because that tail is working my nerves, we're going to burn this tail off. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 more seed beads. And you're going to go through this seed bead right here. And then this seed bead. You're going to go through this bicone right here. And then this one that you're coming out of. So you're going to go through this one. And pull. And then you're going to go up through the one that you was originally coming out of. Make sure you straighten your beads out. Now there is the base for your flip-flop. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put those aside. You don't need those anymore. And you're going to need 6 of your secondary color, whether it is this color, whatever, you're going to need 6. Pick up 3 bicones. Okay, you're coming out through this top bead here. You're going to come down to the middle side bead, and what I mean is you have this bead, and this bead. You're going to come up through the bottom, and you're going to pull your thread through, and then that is going to give you your little strap. Now what you want to do is you want to follow your thread path, and you want to go through this bicone sitting right next. So here's where you're coming out of. Oops. You want to go through this one and then this top one again. So go through this one. And the reason you're following your thread path is you don't want just to go straight across and up this way, because you don't want all that thread showing. Go back up through this one here. Pick up your other 3 4mm, if I can see it clearly. And then, just like on this side, you're going to come over here, and this middle bicone, you're going to come up through it. So you're not going down this way. You're coming around and you're going up through it. And pull your thread. And then you're going to follow your thread path again. And you want to come out, if I can do this. So you're going to go through this one. And you want to go through this top one. If I can see. Sorry if it's blurred, guys. Alright, so your flip-flop is done, y'all. So what you want to do is you want to do a couple knots. So I'm going to go through this bicone here. Now, the knot you're going to do is half hitch knots. So go under your thread bridge, make a little loop, and then you're going to put your needle through it and pull. Then go through another bead and then do another half hitch knot. Go through your loop, pull your thread. Now you want to go through a couple beads, 2 or 3, it don't matter. I'm just going to go through one because I'm going to use my thread burner. And there is your flip-flop. How cute is that? Let me fix my zoom here because I'll hold this up a little closer so you can see it. How cute is that? Or not, you can't see it. There we go. That is so cute. Now, if you want to make this into like a dangle, or, you know, put it on a chain or whatever, the only thing you really need to do is, and as soon as I find one, I had some here, and I can't find it here. We'll just use one of these just for video's sake. I just have a bronze jump ring. Take it, and you are going to twist it open and take your jump ring and run it under your thread bridge, wherever you want to run it through. And you can do it in the middle, or you can do it on the side. We're going to do it on the side because I think it just looked cute, just kind of dangling. And go ahead and twist your jump ring closed. And now all you have to do is just run a chain through it, add a little clasp, a lobster claw, whatever you want to do, and you have a very cute little dangle, little charm here to use on whatever you want. And I can get my hands to work. Hello. There we go. Very cute. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this. These are so cute for spring and summer. They're cute anytime. I love flip-flops. A lot of you do. And this is just a super easy project that you can make and use for whatever. Have it dangled on your purse. You know, a necklace for a little girl would be absolutely beautiful. I want to try to make one of these. Well, I want to make one and try to make it into a ring. I mean, how cute would that be as a little ring? That would be absolutely awesome. So I think I might try to do that. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make these adorable little flip-flops. They're so simple to make. They are just, I think they're going to be very popular. So, just a moment, guys. Okay, so, yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. I'm going to make a few of these. I will have these available in my shop, which you will find that link down below and all my other links. And, yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. And, as always, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.